Hypo what? Hypopressives for your core and more. Hi there, I'm Justine Calderwood. I'm a pelvic floor specialist and a certified birth healing practitioner. And I want to talk to you about hypopressives, or another term is low pressure fitness. Who is this for? Why would I care about this? What is it? What are you even talking about? And why do I need this in my life? If you are a mom who's had kids, even if it's been a long time ago, I want you to listen up and hear about hypopressives can impact and improve your life. Number one, you want a more sleek waistline, a slimmer waistline, and more toned abs, but you feel like you have no time to fit in any workouts. You're working, maybe you're wearing all the hats, right? You're wearing that mom hat and you're taking care of your kids. You're getting dinner ready. You are possibly working outside of the home as well. And you just feel like, where is the time for me? Hypopressives doesn't require a lot of time. Number two, maybe you're looking for a stronger core and pelvic floor. You feel like, you know what, things are just not the same since I had my baby. However, you might be feeling that you're not quite sure what's safe for you to do now that you've had your baby and you know things have changed. So hypopressives is for you as well. Number three, you know you want to work out again because it makes you feel really good physically. You feel toned, you feel more confident in your body. Also, it helps you mentally, but you might be feeling, you know what, who's got time to go to the gym? Or you might be feeling that I just want to be able to do stuff at home with no equipment and the limited time that I have. Hypopressives is for you as well. And number four, you might be thinking, you know what, I've had one kiddo or maybe several, but you still want to add to your family. And you might be thinking, oh my gosh, I'm dealing with some things like pain, or I feel like maybe I might have a prolapse, or I'm worried about a diastasis. You might have some kind of concerns that's holding you back from actually working out, and you're afraid that you're not going to be able to actually have another baby because your body's not going to be able to handle that. Hypopressives is also for you. Hypopressives or low pressure fitness can really be done by anybody. You don't have to have had a baby, but we see a lot of postpartum moms here at the Healing Spot. So that's who we're going to talk to in this mini series that we're doing on hypopressives. So with low pressure fitness, we like to use it here a lot at the Healing Spot for helping postpartum moms heal from prolapse, diastasis recti, incontinence, and even say low back and SI joint pain, because it really helps to open up the body and help to strengthen the deep core to provide support and stability for the rest of the body. So you're probably wondering now, okay, Justine, what is this hypopressives or low pressure fitness? It really combines the hypopressive technique, which I'm going to show you in a little bit, with myofascial release and neurodynamics. And it's a way of increasing strength in the deep core without increasing pressure into the core. So let's take a look at the deep core and what muscles we're going to be targeting. So when we talk about the core, we're talking about the diaphragm along the top, so just underneath the rib cage, the pelvic floor muscles along the bottom, okay? Then we have the abdominal wall, specifically the transverse abdominis along that front wall that goes across this way. And then the little muscles called multifidi muscles in the back. When we do low pressure fitness, although it really helps to strengthen the whole body because we get the whole body involved, there's a strong focus on this part of the body as the foundation for the movements and for the breath. Low pressure fitness was developed as an alternative to traditional type of core workouts like crunches and planks and things like that, because it really focuses on a suction effect, on opening up and making the core work in a different way without increasing any pressure into the abdominal or pelvic floor areas. Low pressure fitness is very technical, so we talk a lot about the specific postures that you need to be in and why they're important to help that core activate and to help really lengthen out the body through the spine and through the arms and the legs to get that myofascial release that we're looking for, to improve posture but also increase flexibility along with increasing strength and endurance. So you just learned a lot about hypopressives and low pressure fitness, and you might be wondering now, how do I get started, Justine? Or you might even have questions if this could help you. Maybe you are a mom that's dealing with some prolapse or incontinence, diastasis, or even just feeling like you don't know where to begin. The next best step for you would be to request a after baby return to exercise screen on our website. It's a way to find out exactly where you're at right now versus where you want to be. How strong are you? What can you tolerate? What's your body doing when you actually start to exercise? We can identify those areas that might be weak, get you started on a plan to feel better, feel strong again, and come up with a program that's going to work in your life. So you can request the After Baby Return to Exercise screen on our website and meet with myself, and we'll go over all of the things that you need to start feeling better again, more confident in your body. You can use the link below to get started, and stay tuned for more in this mini series of Hypo What?